On a tranquil and mysterious morning, the mountain landscape stretches before the eyes with unparalleled wonder. Soft red clouds swirl around the towering peaks, as if the sky itself is offering a warm welcome to the earth. Countless lush forests spread across the mountain slopes, with dense green foliage and various shades of color that create a captivating palette. The first rays of sunlight penetrate through the gaps in the trees, creating a play of shadows that composes a visual symphony on the surface of the ground. And amidst this beauty, a small blue river flows with sparkling ripples, meandering through the terrain and providing a beautiful contrast amid the green leaves and gray stones. The river seems to be a stream of time intertwined with nature, bestowing life and unending motion to a landscape that seems to momentarily pause to relish in the presented beauty. As the morning ambience brings an almost indescribable wonder, the crisp air invigorates and the earthy scent uplifts the spirits. The chirping of birds and the rustling of the wind provide a backdrop of sound that adds life to this incredible vista. Those who venture near the riverbank may witness birds playfully splashing in the water, creating a depiction of familiar natural harmony. The morning silence is sometimes broken by the sound of a small waterfall, further enhancing the allure of these mountains. All these elements converge in a spectacular display that lightens the heart and soothes the mind, reminding us of the captivating power of nature and inviting us to reflect upon the beauty that exists in this world.